Hello, and thank you for tuning in. Today we're taking you to two of Switzerland's natural wonders, the Reichenbachfall and the Aare Gorge, both located in the Bernese Oberland. Located just south of Meiringen, the Reichenbachfall is a cascade of 7 waterfalls with the largest drop measuring in an incredible 120 meters. During heavy rainfall, the river carries up to 30 cubic meters of water per second on the steep cliffs. To reach the main viewport of the waterfall, you can either take the funicular or hike via a trail starting near the private clinic in Meiringen. The hiking trail is not too steep, but you will need to climb 300 meters to reach the top of the waterfall. Note that even if you choose the funicular, you will still have to climb to reach the upper parts of the falls and the higher viewpoints along the trail. Opposite the main viewport and the upper funicular station, you will find the famous location where Sherlock Holmes fought his nemesis, Professor Moriarty, in the book The Last Problem. The area now features a protective fence to prevent any similar showdowns in the future. Located conveniently close to the base of the waterfall, we find the Aare Gorge, a popular tourist hotspot. If you arrive by car, head to Aareschlucht Eingang West, the west entrance of the gorge. Be careful not to go to Aareschlucht West, which is the nearby train station and does not provide access to the car park. The Aare Gorge was formed when a limestone rock blocked the Aare River from flowing out of the Grimsel area. As a result, the river carved various gorges into the soft rock. Since 1888, tourists have been able to visit the gorge on a walkway that runs along the narrow walls. I highly recommend visiting the gorge around closing time. It tends to become much less crowded when the buses and day trippers depart. If you don't wish to walk through the gorge twice, there's a train stop at the east end of the gorge as well. Thank you for joining us today. If you'd like to see more of the Bernese Alps or the Grimsel area, check out our video on Gelmersee. You can find it right over here. Alternatively, take a look at some of our other videos showcasing Switzerland. Until next time.